This year's Santa Barbara Film Festival was a masterclass in collaboration between Benicio Del Toro and the One Battle After Another cast. It wasn't just about the movie. It was a collision of giants: DiCaprio, Penn, and the man they called the Sensei.
I need you, brother. Please, Sensei, please.
Courage, Bob. Courage.
Together, they brought Paul Thomas Anderson's vision to life, creating a synergy that Del Toro says is nearly impossible to find.
You know, the most notable thing is that we were all making the same picture. And that's sometimes rare. So the director, the actors, the extras, everybody was like on point.
From Traffic to Sicario, Del Toro has always defined his own lane. But when he took the stage to receive the Cinema Vanguard Award, he made it clear that his performance as Sergio St. Carlos was fueled by the icon standing beside him.
It's an honor. It's an honor, especially with receiving this with Sean. For me, it's really an honor. This is one of the reasons I became an actor. This man right here. So it's an honor. It's an honor also being part of this film. You know, especially in these times. So it's pretty cool.
That mutual respect wasn't one-sided. For Sean Penn, the project was a rare chance to merge high-level craft with genuine friendship.
Leo being just that pure talent since the second I saw him, this Boys Like and being a friend and getting to do it with those two guys and Paul Thomas Anderson and then the whole group that he put together.
But beyond the camaraderie, there was the work itself. A script that captures a fractured moment in history.
The stuff that Paul wrote, an incredibly pertinent script that's landed perfectly and for this day and age, that just really talks about the divisiveness and the polarity of our country and the world that we're living in, the fact that we can't hear each other.
One vision, 3 icons, and one battle after another. The 2026 Santa Barbara Film Festival reminded us that the real magic happens when the world's greatest talents are finally making the same picture.